Today we have this 1964 Underwood 319 vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Margins are located on top here, and that is where the carriage will stop on each side, the left side and the right side. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch down. We'll skip 2, that's actually 3. That one's 2. We keep it on 1 for now and type a sentence. In red on the next line, I was actually able to type all of the keys on one line because this has a Elite type font, which is a little bit smaller than Pica, which is 10 per inch. So you can fit more words on a page with this type of font. To switch from black to red, just switch this down to red here, and it starts hitting the bottom portion of the ribbon. Very nice typing machine, very modern feeling, very strong and sturdy. Underwood made some really nice typewriters, very nice engineering. I would consider this one to be in excellent condition. It's very clean and looks like it's barely ever been used. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch towards you and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to load thicker paper or pull the paper out easy. It's got a tab function here. This red button is the tab function. Right now we got one tab set right there. We're going to clear that. This is a set and clear S and C, so we're going to clear that tab that it's on. And it goes to the next one. We're going to clear that one. I'm going to clear that one. And we'll set one. Should have no tabs now. No tabs. So we're going to set one by switching this switch up to S, which is for set. And it stops at that exact point. And you can set as many as you want on this model. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. Clear, you just hit the shift button again. This is your backspace. It's an arrow pointing to the left. Works good. Carriage release on the right side here lets you control the carriage freely, and we have under the hood, this pops right off, the spools, and right now all the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right clockwise, and if you want to switch that direction, there's a little fork behind the spool that will change the direction if you move it to the side. On each side it has that. But we're going to keep it pulling to the right, and if you run the wrong direction, or you use up all one side, it could jam up your vibrator because there's no slack at all, and it might seem like your typewriter is malfunctioning, but really you just need to change the direction. And all typewriters that I've ever seen have a direction control, so you just got to find out where it's at on your typewriter. That's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.